So I've had a lot of clients thank us for using the Trust and Will system, and they've always talked about the simplicity and knowing that they have me and our other group of advisors at our team being able to look at things with them, but also having that stamp of approval from the legal team at Trust and Will. That's just been an amazing piece.
We actually had a client who had supposedly done their trust. It was never really funded, completed, had issues with the last attorney. And so we helped them for a fraction of the price. Once we were done with the whole estate planning process, the client sent us a thank you card, and to see that she felt like she was complete was actually really nice.
People love it because they have access to a portal where they can go in and change the names all the time. All of a sudden now they made a decision because they can change it. So we have seen almost every single client that's gone through the system tell us thank you.
Older clients with children who are also clients are so grateful that they finally were able to get mom and dad off the dime. It is in the client's best interest. And now I can help facilitate it and make sure it happens.
Trust and Will.